Now to the second tool in our list, that is MongoCHEF. We are going to do the same steps what we have done with RoboMongo previously with a powerful tool this time called MongoCHEF. Though MongoCHEF has all the advanced features, till it has a very cool feature called Query Builder. This Query Builder will save a lot of time, really a lot of time for experienced MongoDB professionals, and will surely make the learning curve easy for the newcomers. Let us start our CRUD operations using MongoCHEF now. These are the steps we are going to execute using MongoCHEF. The first three are the simplest one: connect to Mongo server, create a database, create a collection under the database. Let us finish these three steps first. So this is MongoCHEF. To connect to the database, click on this icon. It has a capability to automatically import the connection from the RoboMongo software. So it has already imported. Or if you want to do it explicitly, you can click import. Or if you want to create a new connection, click new connection. The parameters are simple as we have seen earlier. You just need to give the server name, the identification name here, and the default port or the port in which MongoDB is running. You can test the connection. I'm going to use the same one which it has automatically imported from RoboMongo. I'm clicking connect. It has connected successfully. You can see the list of databases in the left panel. Now to the first step, to create a database. So click add database. Terms are different here in RoboMongo. In RoboMongo, I think it is create database. Here it is add database. Let me give the database name demo_crud_db. We got the database without any collections. Right click, add collection, or collection_details. There are many options. We will see these options later. Now it's time just to create the collection. We got the collection here. The most important thing is the query builder, which we are going to cover in a separate video session. This will help you in dragging and dropping and building the query dynamically. We'll be seeing it separately. Prior to that, we just need to view the document. Right click here, click open collection view. It's going to show you all the documents. Currently we don't have any documents, so it's empty. Now to the next steps, the important ones: create document, read document, update document, and delete document. To create document, it's easy. You just need to right click here and then click add document. The ID field is shown here. I'm going to copy the same document from the Wikipedia. On clicking add document, it has to add the document. So it has successfully added. Like in RoboMongo, here also we have the three views. Either you can go with the tree view like this, or you can go with the JSON view, which shows you the source. The ID field is added here. Now to add one more document, again I'll be clicking add document. This time I'm going to give the product details. On clicking add document, it's going to add the second document to our collection. So I am again iterating that this is schemaless, so you can save different documents with the different structures into a same collection. So we got two documents. You can see here in the table view to confirm the same. The structure is totally different. Now to the third one in the list, that is to update, and the fourth one is to delete the document. To update the document, right click here, edit JSON, available at Amazon, validate, and click update. Now we have added a new field available at Amazon, and it has successfully updated the existing document. You can confirm the same using JSON view. Now to delete it, let me go to the tree view, right click over here, click remove document. Document is gone. So we have seen the key steps: create document, read document, update document, delete document. Now to copy collection, copy document, export collection, drop database, and disconnect from server. To copy collection, it's very easy. Right click here, copy collection. So you just need to select the database, and then I just need to paste it. So I'm going to paste on the same thing. The name is going to be copy of collection details, copy collection. So I got two collections in the same database, or I can go to any other database and then paste it. For example, this database, I can paste the collection. It's as easy as that. We have done with copying collections. Now to the copy document. That's very easy. Right click here in the document, copy the document. Right click on the same collection or to a different collection. In this case, I'm going to click on a different collection. Right click here, click paste documents. It will prompt for import documents from clipboard. Click yes. And then if you want to refresh the view, click the view. So we got two documents almost with the same content. So in our list, copy collection is done, copy document is done. Now to export collection. Export collection is very easy. Right click on the database, go to export collections, select the collections you want to export. In my case, I want to export this collection details. I selected it, and the target folder. So under my documents, I have a folder demo Mongo export. I'm going to export the contents there. I'm clicking export. The contents must be available there. It's under documents, demo Mongo export. It will be available as a JSON file. Now to the next one in our list, we have done with export collection. Drop the collection, drop the database, and disconnect from the server. So to drop the collection, right click again, drop collection. Collection is gone. To drop the database, right click here, drop database. Database is gone. Now to disconnect, right click on the server, then disconnect. That's it. So we have done successfully these steps with the MongoCHEF tool easily.